Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll talk about Nextcloud, what exactly Nextcloud is, and how you can deploy it. So there are lots of people who are just want to ditch the Google Drive and any other cloud provider and want to set up their own cloud thing. Either it's on a on-prem or either you can set it up on a cloud. So today we'll talk about a service that will help us in achieving the same. The service name is called Nextcloud. You can see here, this is the official website of this product. So if you can click over here, they have lots of things like you can get a fully Google workspace thing in this. Like you can set up your, I guess, email, photos, it will act as a drive, and yada yada yada. There are lots of things that you can try it out. I will make sure that I will add the website link in the comment below, so you can also come and check for yourself. Okay. So this is all about the cloud to the next cloud, and this is the image that we planning to use. If if you are not aware what exactly linuxserver.io, so linuxserver.io is a community who create Docker Compose images, and in most of my video and even in my home lab, the most of our images from the linuxserver.io. So let's just open my Visual Studio Code. So this is the Docker Compose file that I will use in this today tutorial. So let's just start with this, starting from the service. This is the Nextcloud. The image that we are using, the container name is Nextcloud. These are few environment variable like PUID, GID, the time zone. Later in the video, I will tell you how to find this ID and the GID. These are the volumes. So we require two volumes. One is for the configuration where our Nextcloud configuration will store, and the another volume is for the data where our actual data will live. This is the code that will use in this video. This is the restart policy, and we created a lab network. As from the previous video, you know that I want to have a separate network for all my home lab application. So first of all, let's see how to find this UID and GID. This command will work on Mac OS as well as on Linux. So you just need to type ID. So you can see here, this is our UID and this is our GID. The same thing I mentioned over here. Let's see whether our lab network is created or not. So how we can verify? You need to first open the Orbstack as I'm using in Mac. If you are using in Linux, I already have an article for that. I will make sure I will attach in the description. So Orbstack is like a Linux, is a Mac utility using which you can run your container application on it. So as Orbstack is open, we'll run a command docker network ls. So as you can see here, we have a network name lab network. So now let's just run this file. So we save this file with the name nextcloud.yaml. So we'll do it. So how to do? We'll run docker compose, then the file name that is nextcloud up-d. This process will take some time because it is basically fetching all the required images from the repository, and once it's done, we can use it. As we can see here, our Nextcloud is ready. How to verify? We'll run docker ps-a grep-i nextcloud. The reason I did I grep because there are multiple containers and I don't want to confuse you guys. That's the reason I use the grep. So you can see here our container is running from 13 seconds. How to open it? We'll open the Orbstack. We'll click on Nextcloud. We click on this link. This will open up to this screen. So let's just enter a credential. You can set up any credential based upon your requirement. We'll click on install. Initial setup will take some time based upon your hardware configuration. Once it is loaded, it will look something like this. So these are the applications that you can install. As I stated, you can have your calendar application, you can have your contact thing, your mailing thing, your next office. just like your Google Drive and all those things. You have your note and all those things. But as of now, I don't need that. I will simply click on skip. This is just an introduction video. If you want to know about, you can definitely click over there. So if we click on the files, so these are all the files. Let's just upload one file from the system. I don't think so I have any file. Let's just copy this. So I added a file flame.yaml. Okay. You can also view this file like this. You can click on the setting. You can click on the personal setting, and there are like plethora of settings based upon your requirement. You can set it. Now let's see how you can see where exactly the file went. So for that, we'll again open the Visual Studio Code. We'll go to, I just created a folder named Docker Data. Inside the Docker Data, we have a folder called Nextcloud. Under the Nextcloud, if you can see, we have two directories. One is for the configuration, one is for the data. So let's just see the actual data. We'll run tree. So you can find out there are a lot of things that we have, but we want to see where exactly our file is. So we'll do again ls-la. So these are the things that we have. We'll go to admin, go to files. So these are the files that it's already have. If you can compare it from here. So if you click on the files, so these are all the files that we have, the document folder, the photos folder, and these are the image, the YAML file that we added. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, how you can deploy the Nextcloud instance in your home lab. You can apply the same thing in your cloud also. If you have any confusion, anything that you needed from me, you can just comment me down or comment in this video. I will help you with it. If you need further help, you can reach out to me over the Twitter. You can reach out to me over the LinkedIn for further assistance. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, let me know. Till the, we'll see you in the next one. Till the time, peace.